So I'll just start by saying what I'm doing today and who I am. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital, and currently we are just conducting interviews with a few of our traders to try find out a bit more about their journey into trading and how they got to the place they are today. So my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and explain how you got interested in trading and then got to the place you are today within the industry.
Okay. Well, my name is Braian Aguilar. I'm from Argentina. I learned about trading in Spain at the first time because I started to talk with people from the States, from London, and all of them had stocks. All of them buy currencies or have cryptocurrencies, and I didn't know anything about it. So I began to read and stuff, and then finally I meet a trader in the bar that I was working, and he was and is completely free. This is a digital nomad, and I get really interested in economics because it's everything related to trading, everything. So I start to try to find some academies here in Barcelona. I found one, and this guy, Raul, has like 40 people working for him, and he has this academy and stuff. So I start to study there, and at the end, it was a scam. He take the money from the 50 people, mine, and go away. So I was like, oh, it can't be like this way, you know? So I keep trying, and I found you, and it's great. You're kind of fun. I would love to have more education because I think that I need some psychological support, but I really like AudaCity. And then I got accepted in the fund, and I was doing okay until I lost my two jobs. I'm a musician, and I was restaurant manager. So all the restaurants are completely closed. No one was hiring a musician, so it hit me in a psychological level to the trading. So I needed the money, it get rough, but I really appreciate the opportunity because you're great. There is full of scams there, and that company make me believe again in trading. So even if I didn't reach my target, I will someday. And that feeling of keep believing in parties thanks to you and AudaCity.
Yeah, I'm so sorry to hear that that has happened to you, that you got involved in a scam before. Unfortunately, that is way too prevalent in this industry, especially around Forex as well. So that's not good to hear. But I'm glad that you're making your way back up again. I hope everything will go well for you as well.
Yeah.
So, did you teach yourself how to trade, or did you have like an educational background that you came from, or after, I know you said there was that scam that you were involved in, did you get another mentor from there, or just keep on self-educating yourself?
After that mentor, but sadly, he was a real mentor. He did actually real money and big money in front of all of us, but he wanted all for him, I don't know. But his trades were awesome, and I learned everything about trading, almost everything from him. Sadly, he was too ambitious and stuff, but I really learned a lot in that academy, and then I continued to study by my own. I pay some communities like our own trading or Proprietary trading, no signals, only education. And I continue by myself. Yes, I was, after this whole thing of the academy, I wanted to go to London because it's full of these places, and I'm really interested. I mean, I will do anything to be free of this way, you know. And I'm currently working in this company that is like, it's remote. I can work wherever I want, so I can work in two places in the computer. I feel really lucky right now. But I'm on my own right now. I share analysis. I talk with other traders. I see in TradingView. but I'm by my own. I will love the mentor. I think that 80% of the people that I know that I'm leading of this just go and learn from someone that actually lives of this, of trading. I'm sorry about my English. It's a little bit rusty. There is
Oh
like
no,
a
it's
6 months.
fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. So yes, right now I'm by my own, but it's not about the money. It's like it's awesome how everything is connected to the markets. It's not like a task. I begin the day and I look the markets because I really interested. I mean, I really like to know what is happening. It's not just, oh, I want to make money. No, it's not about that.
Yeah, I'm glad that at least there was a little bit of a silver lining with that academy, that you learned a lot, which is great to hear, and it's good to hear that you didn't let that get in your way and you're still going and to learn about Forex. So that's great to hear. So you're doing the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, so do you have any feedback on it? How do you like it so far? And how's your trading been with us? Just we're just making sure that you like the program.
I really like the program, and I really like the people that I talk to. I would like to. I don't think that is in the how to say, in the topics of the funded program to get support. I think that you need for that. You need for that program someone that is already. They don't need support. I think so. It's great. I don't feel micromanaged. I don't feel any pressure at all. And I would like to, and I really would like to share analysis with you guys, with someone that is working there and is like 10 years ago. I don't know, the people that is a long time there. But in the general idea, I am really happy. Even if I didn't make it, I will try again and again. So I do.
Yeah, great. I'm glad you're liking it so far. And one thing I think which a lot of people do, they share their progress and their analysis. We have an app which is just a traders community app, and a lot of people share a lot of their stuff on there. So if you wanted to share some of your analysis or some of your progress, I think that would be a good place to do, because people engage with each other quite well, comment on everything. So, and I'm on this app also, so I'd love to see what you post.
Okay, I will do that. I didn't know it.
Yeah. So my last question is a bit of a tricky one, but I ask it to everyone that I interview, and it is just, what is the best trading advice that you could give to someone who's maybe starting off their trading journey? So this may be something that you would have liked to hear whenever you were starting off your journey, or something that really changed your trading style. Just something like that would be beneficial for anyone watching.
Okay. There is a couple of advices that it really works, but the main advice that it worked for me is when the trade gets triggered, don't look the chart. Just don't look it. Close the computer, go to run, read some book. Don't think about it, and that's it. I think just let the trade run. If you look the computer while you making money or losing it, it triggers all these psychological things that make 90% of people lose. So if most of the people just do the analysis, set the trade, and don't look the development, it could be more profitable to all of us. That, and take it like a 4-year degree. Don't take it like in 1 year you're gonna be rich and you're gonna no. If everyone studies something that allows a kind of money with a roof, with one limit. This you can study 4 years and doesn't have a limit. So the best way for me is patient. Don't look at the chart and take it a long term. Don't want to be rich in 3 months copying signals.
Yeah, definitely. I think that is some great advice, especially regarding patience as well. I think patience is key, especially in trading and all the psychological elements of trading, really. So, yeah, that's great advice. And I think that's it for me today. So, thank you so much for this interview. And hopefully, in a
Okay.
few weeks or months, we can catch up again. I can see how you're doing with your trading. So, yeah,
Okay. Thank you
thank
so
you
much,
so much.
Leah. It's a pleasure to meet you because this whole internet working with, I don't see any face with my actual work too. It's really weird. So I'm really
Yeah,
happy to meet you. Have a good day. Thanks.
have a